The L3 error on your Spectrum cable box means it's stuck in a boot loop, failing to initialize properly, often displayed as L3 on the front panel. Think of it as the box trying to refresh its signal, but getting stuck. To immediately address this, start with a simple but often effective step. Power cycle your equipment. Unplug both your cable box and modem from the power outlet for 2 to 5 minutes. After waiting, plug them back in, ensuring the modem fully connects to the internet first, and then power on the cable box. This clears the cache and resets the system. This step is essential due to the frequent software updates Spectrum rolls out to address these issues, which sometimes cause temporary outages. If the power cycle doesn't work, check the coaxial cable connections to ensure they are secure, replacing any damaged cables. Next, try forcing a signal refresh. Press and hold the power button on the cable box for 10 to 15 seconds. If issues persist, you can also use the Spectrum app to troubleshoot the device or contact support for a remote reboot. Be aware that Spectrum is moving away from physical boxes, so you might consider upgrading to Spectrum's TV app or a streaming box to avoid these issues. Keep in mind that outdated firmware, network congestion, or signal issues can also trigger L3 errors. A regular firmware update via the Spectrum app can prevent many problems. If none of this works, reach out to Spectrum support for a replacement, as it may indicate a hardware failure.